Hello everyone, I am Rajdeep Mazumdar and I am from University of Engineering and Management Kolkata and I am from CSE branch. So few days ago on 17th of November, I got a chance for interviewing at TCS in the Ninja profile after cracking NQT. So today I'm going to share my interview experience from beginning to end, and yeah, so let's get started. So firstly, at around 3 p.m., one of my HR called me and also texted me that I will be interviewed at 3:30 and it will be held on Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams concept I knew that from earlier, as I got a mail from TCS on with the link. Next, I was to send my details, that is 10 12 mark sheets, and along with the all the six SEM that I passed, soft copy results, along with any of the government IDs, uh, to a mail which he provided in the call, and also she texted me, so I sent that. And at about 3:30 I was connected to the meeting, and firstly, I was told to show one of my government ID for the verification purpose, and then my question started. So first question which I was asked was, tell me about yourself. So here I told about myself, that the places I was brought up and born, and about my education background, school, college, then my um, subject interest and language which I have worked and which I am interested, along with my projects which I have done. So then they told me to rate myself in C++, and Java. So I rated and also mentioned that I was interested in Java and not in C++, Python. So next, as they knew about I was interested in Java, so they asked first question, that explain the OOPS concept. I was ready for this question, and I answered and described it properly with the explaining the four pillars of OOPS. Then they told me to separately describe what is abstraction, what is polymorphism, these two. So I explained with real life examples, and so the next question I was asked was, what is static variable, why we use static, and what is the purpose of static. So I was ready with this question, and I prepared it. So I told and I explained the uses along with why we make a variable as static. So you can always refer to this question which I would be telling from my interview. You can go to Java T point or GFG. So I will rather prefer you Java T point. So from there I prepared myself, and all of these are also there in Java T point also. Okay, so next question which I was asked was, what is the access modifier which we use in main method. So I told them public, as it is very simple question. So after that, I was asked what is the difference between static variable and static keyword and final keyword. So I also this also I prepared, and I told them the main difference. Then they shifted towards inheritance. So the first question they asked about inheritance was, what is the keyword that we use uh, in a program for showing inheritance. So firstly I told that we use extend keyword, extends in objects in program, when a child class inherits some features from the base class. So the interviewer told me that no, extend is not the thing, or the rather the answer I was looking for. There is some another keyword no, which is used. So then mistakenly I told that this keyword. So the interviewer told me like, are you sure about this keyword is your answer. So at that suddenly at that point of time I recall that no, this is not the answer. So the next keyword that came to my mind is super keyword. So yeah, super will be the answer, is the answer, right? Rather. And The interviewer again asked me, are you confident about super? So I, at this time I told that, yeah sir, I am confident with super. So then he told, yes, it is the right answer. Then he asked me a question, what is sealed class? So this term I heard in the for the first time in this interview, and I also didn't came over this question earlier, and so I told that, sir, I didn't know at this point of time, so I can't tell. So another thing I like to mention was the three of my panelists was very helpful, and they coordinated with me very well, and very friendly too. He explained me what is sealed class later in the interview, after the interview. Okay, so then I was asked a question, what the difference between method overriding and method overloading. So I explained this. It is a common question. So after that, I was shifted to collection, Java collection. So first question, uh, here one of my interviewer asked me was, what is collection? Describe collection. And then she asked me that, is collection a framework or interface? I told that it is a framework. Then I described. And then the next question came was, what is the difference between hash table and hash map? So these also I prepared earlier, and I was able to answer those. Then the next question was, what is the interface and what is the use of interface? So I told that it is used to attain or to it is used to obtain multiple inheritance and also achieve abstraction. So I nicely explained. After that, they told that, then they shifted to HR question. So first question which was I was asked in HR was, why TCS and why would you like to join TCS? So I answered, and uh, tell good thing about TCS, obviously, why you really want to join TCS. And after that, they asked me about what is a dream company. So I told that TCS is one of my dream company. And then they asked me that, what is another dream company that you have? So I told that Google, Microsoft, Amazon, not me, that all the students like me have a dream to get placed in such top tier companies. So then the question came was, if we're given a salary, if we're given a company with a higher salary package like Amazon or Google, and then you have offer from TCS, so which job you want to join, which company you want to join? So I at that point told that I would like to join TCS over those companies, as TCS is a great place to work for freshers and also get the required experience and exposure that would help me in my career. So then next question, which I was they asked me about, where do you see yourself in 5 years down the line? So I explained this was normal question. Then they asked me about relocation, and after that I was asked for the background details. They just verified it. They asked me that, I told that yes, all the things were true. Then they told me, okay, so now your interview was done and now you can leave. So I then left. And yeah, so this interview lasted around 25, yeah, 25 to 30 minutes. And one thing that I like to add was, add is, so mean to prepare your resume well. Although they didn't asked for my resume in this interview, and I also mentioned their database, DBMS and software engineering, and surprisingly no question from DBMS asked to me, or also software engineering, no question were asked, only from Java, as I told them I was comfortable in Java, so they asked me in Java. So prepare your language which you are comfortable. And this is all about my interview, and hoping for best good result. So thank you.